Presiden Republik Indonesia Prabowo Subianto selain menyatakan keprihatinannya pada kondisi peperangan di Gaza dan Ukraina serta wilayah lain di Afrika, Presiden ke-8 Republik Indonesia juga menegaskan untuk membasmi koruptor yang merugikan negara. Hal ini disampaikan di Forum International World Government Summit 2025 yang ia hadiri secara daring dari Indonesia, Kamis 13 Februari yang berlangsung di Uni Emirat Arab. Tingkat korupsi di Indonesia dinilai sangat mengkhawatirkan. Oleh karena itu, dirinya bertekad untuk menggunakan seluruh tenaga, seluruh wewenang yang diberikan oleh konstitusi pasca 100 hari pemerintahannya untuk mengatasi hal ini sampai ke akar-akarnya. Berikut pernyataan lengkap Presiden Prabowo Subianto dalam pemberantasan korupsi di Indonesia.
But the corruption level of my country is very alarming, to say the least. And that's why I'm determined to use all the energy, all the authority invested in me by my constitution to try to overcome this disease, which I think is the root of all the decline in the sectors that you mentioned, our education sector, research and development, is because of the basic illness of corruption. And this needs, I think, courage on the part of my government. We have to be determined to provide clean government. And now, after 100 days, I feel that the majority of my people now are supporting me. They got the message because they suffer every day from this corruption. So I'm now very bullish. I'm very confident, and I think everybody, the Indonesian people especially, understand this.
You've described. Sorry.
I'm facing some resistance from the entrenched bureaucracy. Some of them consider themselves untouchables, but I have not yet begun to fight. So I think this will be my motto. After 100 days, I have not yet begun my struggle, and I'm convinced that we will achieve significant progress.
Dari Jakarta, tim liputan melaporkan untuk Puja TV.